JOVs 4D laser light therapy mask to try out, and I'm excited because I can really use it. It comes in a beautiful box, and this is what it looks like. So because it's 4D anti-aging, it reduces fine wrinkles and fine lines. Its technology is laser tack, not to be confused with LED. Laser tack is 6 times more powerful than LED, so you'll see results in as little as 4 weeks. In addition to reducing wrinkles and fine lines, this device will increase the firmness of your skin, and you'll see improvement in dark circles and skin brightening. It'll even calm redness. It's made out of a patented nanomolecular food-grade silicone, so it works if you have sensitive skin, and it's hands-free with a clippable remote control and Velcro straps designed, so it'll fit any size face. It's also completely safe, so you don't have to worry about wearing goggles on your eyes. And it has auto timing. It has 3 modes. The first one is strengthen skin barrier that boosts circulation, improves your skin's texture, and will work with all skin tones. Then there's skin brightening, which reduces the appearance of redness and dark circles, zaps blemishes, and is great if your skin is dull. And last is anti-aging. This penetrates deep into the skin to reduce wrinkles, smooth fine lines, and increase firmness. I'll be using that one. So you may be asking, why choose the JOVs laser mask? Well, one reason is that most of the red light masks on the market today are not as powerful. They don't go deep enough into the tissue of your skin. And it also addresses specific skin problems while most others do not. It's cost-effective, too, compared to other devices that use laser technology. For instance, the Lima costs over $2,000. So if you want to try it yourself, I have a coupon code. Just click the link in the description of the video and use my code REB120. The mask charges with a USB cable, and it comes with an adapter plug. This is the clip-on control panel. So you've got an on and off button, a timer, and then it has the 3 different modes. You should definitely read the instruction booklet before using the device. The mask is easy to put on, and you can adjust it for your head size. I just washed my face, and so I'm going to do a treatment and show you a before and after. Here I go. So I just did the anti-aging treatment. It lasted, I think, it was about 10 minutes when it turned off. So you can see my face has a little bit of rosiness to it. It didn't feel hot. It was kind of a fun, I felt like Hannibal Lecter a little bit. But anyway, what we do to look better. Anyway, I am 71 years old right now, so I'm not expecting miracles, but hey, everything helps, right?